Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually make money online by searching on Google. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. What I'm going to teach you in this video is how you can make money online while searching. This is active work, okay? You're not going to get rich with this method. But if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation of how to make money online with passive income, yes, make money while you sleep, while you travel, when you're enjoying life, click or check out the very first link in the description. That's going to be my #1 recommendation of how to make money online. Let me go back to the topics. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a website that is called Presearch. Presearch is a decentralized search engine. Okay, here is an actual quick video that is going to explain you how does the system works. They are in beta phase right now, but they do have over 1 million users, and these versions enable you to collect pre-tokens. When you search, pre-tokens is their currency, so you're going to be paying in this currency and then you transform it or convert this currency into your own currencies. Okay, and you're going to customize your search results, and you're going to do whatever you usually do online while you search. Here is a more in-detail description. Like, Presearch is an open and decentralized search engine that rewards community members with pre-search tokens for their uses, contribution to, and promotion of the platform. Okay, so really easy, really simple. If you want to create your account, you need to click here where it says presearch.org, or go directly to presearch.org. You are going to create your account. Once you create your account, okay, first you are going to choose where do you want to do the search. In my case, I already chose Google. Now you can see how many tokens you have. Right now I don't have any token, but you can earn 20.25, I don't know to call it cents, free tokens per search, and you can do up to 32 searches per day. Okay, so let me click here. Now I already choose Google. Now it's telling me that I do have other tools that I can use. Okay, I can change the color. I really don't want to do that. So this is my account. It's already set up. So now it's time for me to make some money. Okay, select the icon that's going to display the top. It's going to be this one. Okay, I really don't want to customize it. I'm okay with what I'm doing. And here it's where I'm going to do the search. If I want to filter out some options, okay, I can also browse by categories. Okay, they do have a lot of things that I can do. Okay, I finished with all the configuration, and now I'm here. This is my account. It says earn crypto rewards, make pre-search your search engine, and earn pre-crypto. So I can click here and add it to my Google Chrome. So let's make a quick search, like how to make money online. Wow, selling drugs? I don't think so. Right, I'm gonna do a search here, and boom, wow, I make money. Nice. So I got a token, and as you can see, I'm getting results from Google. So what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be using this tool, which is presearch.io, right? And I'm going to be making money doing what I'm usually do. I browse around, I'm look for information, but I'm usually doing that for free. So if you want to earn money, right, while browsing, remember that you can go to presearch.io. You're gonna find out all the information, and then you can click here on presearch.org, create your account. The only thing that you need if you want to create your account is that you need to have a valid email address. That's the only thing that you need. Okay, that's the only thing that you need. So I got back into my account, so you can see that I have the money here credited. Okay, so the money is there credited. As you can see here, I can see who is on the leaderboard and how many pre-search token they do have right now, so that's really nice. And here are all the search providers. So if you maybe you are not in the mood to do a search on, you know, on Google, but you're looking on a domain to buy the domain, maybe you can click here on GoDaddy. You're going to do exactly the same, and you're going to be credited. If you are actively using Quora, if you're doing on Pinterest, even with your Google Drive, so it is actually great with Reddit. So my suggestion is, if you really want to get paid while browsing, pre-search is what you need to do. But again, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation is to make money online, I mean passive income, it's going to be the very first link in the description. Well, this is it for this video. If you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me. It's gonna help my video. It's gonna help my channel. If you have some questions, some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.